The sea simmers gently in the sunlight, like a watercolor painting softly blurred by the wind. Waves rolling layer by layer, then quietly retreat, as if whispering a story about time. The sand beneath your feet is delicate and warm. Each step feels like sinking into nature's embrace. The breeze carries the salty scent of the ocean and sweeps away the clutter and the fatigue in your heart. In the distance, a sailboat glides slowly across the water. Seagulls skim the surface, leaving behind a faint arc, like a dream drifting across the lake of your heart. You stand there quietly, watching the tides rise and fall, watching the waves glister under the sun. Here, it feels as if the whole world has slowed down. No noise, no chaos, only the whisper of the wind, the breeze of the sea, and this moment of peace that belongs to you alone. Yet turns out that the best kind of healing comes from being close to the ocean, from walking along the beach without thinking about anything at all. Every now and then, let your heart flow with the sea, empty, draft, and then begin again.